just a little bit bigger than I'm used to. Hey, this is a totally different world. You've seen me trying to do some grading work. Well, this machine has some built-in grading, and I don't even think what we're seeing is the highest end of their grading. I think they call this their two-dimensional grading. But I've got it set so that it's on a 10-degree slope, and that slope would be away from me like this. So I can pull this machine in. Notice it throttles up, and all I'm doing is pulling in on the boom, and it's going to keep those teeth right on that 10-degree blade. Notice it's keeping the bucket at the same angle and keeping it right on the same grade. Right now I can go up there again. I can move it way out there. Now it won't even allow me to push the boom out because the teeth would be below grade there. So I have to pick this up higher to even be able to get it extended. So it's truly made for an idiot like me to be able to dig. I think it's not going to allow my teeth below grade. Yeah, it does not allow my teeth below grade. If I want to pull it in more level here, I mean, I can see a little line here on the screen that shows me why it's not going down, so it wouldn't be annoying in that sense. But I can run this, and all I do then is pull back the main boom and then watch it come up the grade. Maybe that's what those guys like Let's Dig 18 and Dirt Perfect are doing when they act like they're really good with the machine, you think? No, they are really good with the machine, but still, this is amazing, and it was trivial to set up. I'll just show you one more time. And notice it will not let me go down below that grade we said. Obviously, doing this in the air makes no sense, but it makes a lot of sense to see that grade. And we come right up through it. And I'm doing that very simply. So here's our grade line right here, the green line you see. Hopefully you can see it. The screen's not perfectly clear, but I can push the boom right down against that line. And turn my teeth downward and push the boom right against that line. So I'm right here on grade line. I should be able to turn my bucket down just a little bit on grade, and then I can pull that right in, and you can actually see the bucket moving upward as it comes toward me. Now you'll see the excavator move into the screen here. That's how close the excavator is to the bucket. The only oddity to this is that it seems like the excavator is moving rather than the bucket, when the opposite is what's truly happening, right? Now I can't move it back away because I would go back down into the, well, anyway. So that's the miracle, is that it stayed right there on that grade line. Okay, so I've set my loading point and my dumping point. So this is the loading point here. The dumping point is over here on the other side, and as I swing, it will slow me down as I approach the point. So I'm holding the lever all the way as hard as I can, but it slows me down at that loading point. So it's just smooth operation, even though I'm an idiot beginner operator. Now, if I want to override that to go a little further, I can easily do that. But I've also set up an absolute fence here. You can hear the beep. There's no way I can override this. So this would be, let's say that there's a wall here, a building, or maybe a lane of traffic that I don't want to get out in. It doesn't matter how hard I try, I can't go past that. Okay? Now it's trivial to turn this off, but I can go around here to this first point and it'll stop there. This one I can override because it's just a set point. So if I just hit it again, I go to the next one. Uh-oh, a programming problem. I just ran through the whole wall. No, I only had it set up as this is a left wall. I'd had to put it on the back side too, but that makes perfect sense. It's all visual, it's all really nice. I want to dig something. Controls are even more sensitive and more stable and easy to control. So as we get into larger machines, we see the controls get easier and easier to control, but then we see a bunch of software assist that makes it even better. It would take a little time for me to get used to all this software assistance, but on the other hand, I would use it, and I would find it very, very handy, especially the two-dimensional grade assist, or dig assist, I believe they call it. Be interesting to see if they can do that on our little tractors.
Hey, I know this has been a quick one, but I thought these features in the large excavator were well worth showing. Special thanks to Volvo for paying our expenses to travel there and visit. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time on Tractor Time with Tim. I will make justice the measuring line and righteousness the level. Then hail will sweep away the refuge of lies, and the waters will overflow the secret place.